This weekend, Drive Tesla Canada tweeted at Tesla CEO Elon Musk asking for an official comment about the heat pump issue. He responded within 5 minutes to say that fixing it is a high priority, as it should be. For background, some Tesla owners in Canada and Alaska have been experiencing problems with the heat in their Model 3 and Model Y vehicles. In fact, when temperatures are frigid, some of these Tesla owners don't have heat at all, which is very dangerous. The owners have been sharing their concerns and reaching out to Tesla for some time now. At first, it seems this issue may have been specific to just a few Tesla owners with individual car problems. However, it didn't take long before it became clear that it was a growing issue and somehow related to the heat pump in the Model Y and Model 3. Tesla said it had to do with a previous software update, which sort of makes sense since we didn't hear about very many issues last winter, though some people did voice similar concerns. Regardless, Tesla has struggled to fix the problem. Reportedly, Tesla has already made a few attempts to correct the problem. The company says a software update will fix the issue. Meanwhile, the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration and Transport Canada are looking into the problem to determine if people's safety is at risk. We've included Musk's tweets below. Can we please get an official comment about the heat pump issues at Elon Musk? It is clearly impacting a lot of cars, and the fixes the Tesla team, software and service, have tried so far haven't worked. Some clarity and transparency would go a long way with owners. Thanks. Fixing this is a high priority. About 40 minutes later, probably enough time to check with the team involved in the fix, Musk then replied to his own reply, stating that a firmware fix was already rolling out. Fixing this is a high priority. Firmware fix to recalibrate heat pump expansion valve is rolling out now. This is rather interesting since some people may assume Musk immediately contacted the people involved in the fix and told them to start rolling it out. However, if the fix was ready to be rolled out so quickly, why hadn't they already sent it? We can only hope the latest software update works, and it's not just a temporary solution. The fact that the CEO could respond to a tweet and initiate a fix so quickly is quite amazing, but only if the fix is actually successful. According to Electric, some people think that an actual fix to this problem may require a hardware update. In fact, some owners were told by Tesla Service Center employees that it was likely a hardware issue related to a flap or valve that might be freezing. Since Musk announced that the software update was rolling out, it seems several owners have already received it. Some have taken to social media to say that the problem is fixed related to their car, but we can't just rely on their social media posts to assume that the heat pump issue is solved. Heat pump drama issues all fixed now? Mine is working at 26C now, seems fine. Smiley face, ram it 10 times since my issue to be sure and seems to fix work. $let Elon Musk at Tesla at whole Mars blog at 28 delays later. On the flip side, others are pointing out that this is a workaround or temporary fix, though it does seem to be working. My understanding is that Tesla released a workaround, not a permanent fix, forcing heat pump to turn on even if the front air intake failed to close. That said, this seems like a mechanical issue related to environment, like snow/dirt buildup or something, randomish. Based on this is a developing story. As we learn more about the fix and whether or not it's working, we'll update this article or publish a follow-up. In the meantime, let us know if you've experienced such an issue. If you've received the update, we'd love to hear from you.